Namaskaram. I am Guru from MGI, Market Generated Information. See, what happened today? Let's discuss what happened today and what we discussed yesterday and what is the opportunity we'll get for tomorrow. Very simple thing we have to understand in the market. If our trade is not going well, then we have to stop there, then and there itself. Then only we can sustain in the market in the long term. Long term, if you want to sustain in the market long term, you should keep your patience. You should have a good disciplined person. Then only market will give good trade, good profit, good earnings like that. Okay. See what we discussed. If market closing below yesterday's low, we go for a PE, right? We go for a PE and our target could be 16,400 or 350 kind of thing we are discussing yesterday. And what happened today? Market from here took reversal and went up. My humble request, without SL, don't trade. Don't trade. Okay. If your SL hit, then you can stop there itself. So normally if this below, this candle is closed. So normally we'll get a PE here, right? And our stop loss could be here. That where we have to keep a stop loss, that is every day we are discussing. And yesterday live market also we discussed above VWAP, above day high, right? So this is regularly we are discussing. If stop loss hit here, then we have to watch the market. Why market came back here and why this up move? You have to try to understand why market going up. The first scenario is this trade everybody's know, right? All the people, all the traders are know this downside trade. This is obvious trade. Why? Because if market close below yesterday's low, then the gap filling odds will be there, right? The market will go down and fill that 100 or 150 points gap. So market normally this obvious trade don't give very easily. This obvious trade market you can check whenever you see if any negative news or any kind of what do you call any kind of RBI rule, any kind of thing, that obvious trade market will not give. And if everybody knows that trade, sure market will do the opposite side of trading. See, if you are a very disciplined person or calm person in your day-to-day life, not in a trading. What I am saying is, if you are a very calm person, very polite person, then in day-to-day life, then you can 100% sure you will become a good trader. Otherwise, if you are fighted with your family or friends or some angry happened in while you are traveling or something like that, so that reflect in the market also. What happened now? So normally we took P here, right? We didn't put a stop loss and market went up. Then we average here. Then market went up. We average here. After seeing this red candle, we think that okay, market will come down, and market will clear this low. We will book a big profit. And then what happened? Market went up. Likewise, against our view, market will go. Don't fight with the market. See, we started our channel 2 3 months back, and we started Telegram channel as well. Ever you seen we are discussing more than one or two trade in a day? Maximum we discuss two trade maximum. If SL hit, what we do? You seen in our Telegram channel, right? We say to Nifty, sorry, very sorry Nifty, see you tomorrow. This kind of message you've seen many time in the market, right? If good profit also, we don't trade more than 2 trade. We won't take more than 2 or 3 trade. This discipline you have to get into your day-to-day life. You have it at any cost. This discipline should be your mantra. More than 2 trade I won't take. And you have to plan your risk also. So normally what our risk will be 1000 to 2000 rupees per day maximum risk. And what is our reward? Our reward is 2500 to 5000 rupees we are planning in a day. That is how we have to plan. If one SL hit 1000 rupees hit one lot, I am saying for one lot, okay, hit, then you have to sit. You don't try to get any other opportunity. What the people will do now, they will go to any other Telegram channel, they will go to Twitter, or they will go to any other WhatsApp group, and they will try to get any calls from there. Not only Nifty, they will try to bank Nifty or some other stocks. See, this is called a non-disciplined person. And without knowing any other chart, someone giving calls, any stock based calls, or someone giving any bank Nifty or anything, any calls, they know the chart and they understand, and that could be their first trade, or they are ready to lose. But what is our case? We believe on that person, then we'll believe on that guy, and we immediately jump into the trade. Again SL hit, again SL hit. Like our SL will big, our loss will be big on that day. It will happen in the market. So my request, you just learn the chart, love the chart. Market will give you good earnings. See, I will give you one good information. I am unable to watch in the morning market. I came into the market in the afternoon only. So see, first candle itself, this is called a breakout failure. How it is, why I am saying breakout failure? See, first candle itself, yesterday's low not broken. Candle came here, then closed above yesterday's low. So that means you have to wait. Anywhere market reverse, then you go for a C. And we are discussing about yesterday live market. There is a zero volume here in this candle. There is a good zero volume. Market how to visit this area today or not. If not today, some nearing times, right? I think you will remember this data. So if any reversal here, why not you go for C to clearing this zero volume? Hope you remember this. See, this is a failed auction. Good auction means the first candle, so market open here, first candle itself how to give closing below yesterday low. This is also we learned yesterday how in the live market this is a multi-day low. Then only we went for a PE, right? This candle is a multi-day low. This candle giving good breakout. 2 days profile market open, then market came, and market given not this candle, second candle itself market given good breakout. Then we went for a PE and we booked a good profit yesterday. So the live market we discussed yesterday, the same way what market today done. First candle itself market given failed breakout. This shows that market will reverse and market will test yesterday's high. This is very simple logic. You can learn. You can, if you have a screen time, you will get this type of information in the live market. Okay. And why I given this call is, see, this call was without VWAP testing, market was going up. So market giving information that this was yesterday's high, market rejecting from yesterday's high, there is a good supply zone. So I given this call based on the market information only. Without logic, I never ever give any call. Okay. So this is logic. Why? Because this is yesterday's high, market not broken, given supply was coming in, then market start dropping down. So I given PE towards testing VWAP. But not happen. Some amateur traders came here. Why? Because why I am saying amateur traders? This is 16,600 level. This is a visual reference. So amateur traders came here, then market went up in the afternoon. Okay, what is the tomorrow scenario? See, chart showing good bullish. Chart showing that I am bullish. But this is obvious trade. Everybody knows that this is obvious trade. This obvious trade market never ever give you. Okay, so tomorrow market will test your patience. Market will test your patience. You have to wait minimum 2 to 3 hours in the morning. If market opening flat, spending time here. So after that, if market breaking this high, go for a CE, go for a CE. If market breaking this range, go for a PE towards 16,400 is our target. Okay. If market open flat, if market opening flat, coming down, wait. If market spending time here, if market broken this 16,540, then go for a PE, the same target on downside. If market breaking this range up, go for a CE towards 16,790. This is two opportunity we have tomorrow. If market gap up opening above this 16,690, go for a CE towards this target. If market gap down, then wait for a this line breakout, then go for a PE. Hope you understand the market. Why? Because tomorrow is a monthly expiry, so market will not give obvious trade, but most of the time the premium will melt very fast. Premium eating will happen. So plan the trade accordingly. Wait patiently. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you very much.